Hey everyone! Ever wondered how to boost a tiny 12-volt battery all the way up to 230 volts? Today we're doing exactly that, walking through the circuit build and working of this simple boost converter, using just a few cheap parts and the legendary IC555 timer. Let's get into it. The 555 timer, wired in Astable mode, fires continuous high-speed pulses from pin 3. Those pulses slam into the gate of the IRF540 MOSFET, switching it on and off thousands of times per second. Every time it switches on, current rushes through the 200 microhenry inductor, building up magnetic energy. The moment it switches off, that energy has nowhere to go, so the inductor fights back, releasing a massive voltage spike, the back-EMF, shooting all the way up to 230 volts. The IRF540 fast diode catches that spike and passes it forward, rectifying it into clean DC. The 1N5936B Zener diode clamps any dangerous overvoltage at the output rail, and the BC547 transistor, adjusted by the 47K preset RV1, monitors the output and throttles the MOSFET back the moment voltage tries to exceed 230 volts DC. Capacitor C3 at 10 microfarads smooths out the pulses into a stable, ripple-free 230 volt DC output, ready at the output terminal. That's it. Simple and powerful. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.